Hello everyone, welcome to Huijie Green Farm. Today we will talking inside our factory. Follow my step. Here is our AC charger plus station line, and this is the support home charger and workplace charger. We offer different warranties. They are working right now. Our factory now are making CCS1 and CCS2 according customers' demands. You can see this is GPT, this is CCS1. In this stage, we check quality and make a final check before shipping. Adjust.
Welcome to be our factory partner. We are always honest and careful. We would be happy to become your trusted partner.